Welcome to this tutorial video. The goal of this video is to show you a quick tour of the Learning Center's bookcase. The bookcase will be the first thing you'll see on the Learning Center's homepage. The bookcase is an easy way to start your navigation throughout the Learning Center. Now, there are 4 types of information you will find on the bookcase: glossary, guidelines, information, and user manuals and tutorials. As you hover over each information type's icon, the relevant books will be highlighted. Glossary books will include terminology, functions, shortcuts, roadmaps, and links. Guideline books will tell you what to do in your practice and why you do it. Information books will contain additional information such as critical business processes, roles in the practice, and general GoodX information. User manual and tutorial books include step-by-step instructions on GoodX features in written and video formats. The sections sort the content of the Learning Center into main categories. The main categories include medical, dental and allieds, communication, hospitals, accounting and stock, and so much more. The first section, however, is further divided into different headings. These headings include General, Web App, and Desktop App. The books under each section and heading are also grouped by color to make navigation easier. Under the sections and headings are all the relevant books that will lead you to the specific content. As an example, you as a general practitioner wishes to find more content about clinical information on the Web App. You would then look under the Web App heading in the Medical, Dental and Allied section and then click on the Clinical Information book. The books are divided according to business process diagrams. To know which topics are included in these books, simply take a look at the process diagram at the top of the page. The sections in between will be included. The same can be said for the Billing to Debt Manage book, where you will also find content about billing corrections, claim administration, receipting, and receipt corrections. Books such as Clinical Information will have their own process diagrams. The Claim Administration section has its own process diagram as well. Simply click on it to be navigated to see its specific processes and tasks/features. Ending off with the Reports book that is a book of its own. Some GoodX features also have their own books dedicated to its own process diagrams, sections, and features. The Telehealth, Dental and Periodontal and Perioperative books are great examples. Lastly, we have links to our various social media accounts underneath. Simply click on the social media icon you wish to visit.